Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Mars Pauline, and for today, samahan ninyo ako pag-usapan natin itong katabi ko na iMoney Breast Pump i1 Plus. So, kikwento ko sa inyo short story kung paano niya ako natulungan for the past year, and surprise pero sinasabi ko na. Watch until the end of the video and see kung paano kayo magkakaroon nito for free. So, if you're ready for that kind of vlog, keep on watching! Hi guys! Para sa mga bago sa channel na to, I'm your Mars Pauline and I do have 4 kids. So this channel is more on motherhood, parenting, travels, food, and everything in between. So kung ganon ang klaseng content na gusto ninyo, consider subscribing onto this channel. And syempre, hit that notification bell na rin para ma-update kayo kapag nag-upload ako. This is my iMoney Breast Pump i1 Plus. And there, this is the ayan siya. Diba ang ganda-ganda niya talaga? Kumbaga sa computer, MacBook ang levels. So, ayan. I did not remove this nga kasi para maganda. So, as you can see, it's not connected sa outlet, pero I still have battery left, so I can still use it. And ito yung light na sinasabi ko, sobrang favorite ko yan kasi look, ayun siya, oh, ayun. Maliwanag kasi dito, so syempre hindi nyo ma-appreciate, pero ayan siya. And then may level 2 pa yan eh, isa pa, ayan, mas maliwanag. So it's really nice kasi alam mo yon, maliwanag siya pero hindi super duper liwanag na magigising ka. Naririnig nyo? Wala kayo naririnig kasi nga mahina, tahimik nga siya. So, imagine, wala siyang sound. Diba? Amazing! So, kapag kaganyan, see, nag-green, that's the booster pump. So, later, pagka natapos na yung cycle, magkakaroon ng booster. Magkakaroon ng last pull. So, na-activate yon kapag tinodo mo yung plus sign. Pag minay na sign mo, automatic magwa-white. So, wala na yung booster function. Again, pag plinas ko, hold mo ng, yan, booster. Cookies. So, yan. Patayin na natin kasi walang nakasaksak. So, ayan siya. Merong mga breast shield, and then yung mga bottles. Andito yung charger. So, basically, that's it. Yan ang laman ng isang iMoney i1 Plus. I love you so much, i1 Plus. Sana mapunta ka sa karapat-dapat na mami. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Mars Pauline, and sabi ko nga sa intro, pag-usapan natin itong breast from iMoney na i1 Plus. So, last year, same month, June, was very life-changing for me. So, para sa mga bago sa channel na to, nagkaroon po ako ng kidney cancer last year, and it was really challenging. Physically, I just gave birth sa aking ika-4 na anak nung March 11, and then parang noon pa lang nakakabalik yung sigla ko, then biglang nalaman ko na meron akong kidney cancer. So June went by really fast last year. Sobrang pagpasok ng June, nagkaroon ako ng symptoms, and then pagdating ng mga June 23 yata yun, or 24, wala na akong kidney. Like, tinanggal na nila yung kidney ko. So, it was really fast, and it was really shocking for our family. Pero I'm just so thankful to my iMoney family kasi they gifted me this prior to having cancer. So, hindi ko alam, kasi user talaga ako ng iMoney. So, I do have yung mga wearable pumps nila and alam mo yun, kumpleto ko yung set nila. And then, ito yung pinaka-kumumpleto kasi siya yung pinaka big time. So, siya yung pinakamalaki kasi siya yung pinaka-hospital grade. And, later, I will discuss to you ano yung mga features niya na nagustuhan ko and all. Pero yun nga, nung binigay sa akin to ng aking iMoney family, hindi naman nila alam na magkaka-cancer ako. Hindi nila alam na sobrang kakailanganin ko. And then yun nga, kinailangan ko nga, right after I was diagnosed with kidney cancer, I was really heartbroken kasi breastfeeding advocate ako. So, ang tanong ko talaga was, paano ko magbe-breastfeed? Kasi, I would undergo, a lot of treatments, medications, and syempre, imposibleng makapag-breastfeed. So, at saka, syempre, yung mga friends ko, sinasabi nila sa akin na, isipin mo naman yung sarili mo muna, like, iniisip mo paano ka magbibigay ng milk, hindi mo nga alam kung, di ba, kung mabubuhay ka pa after June. So, it was really sobrang grabe. Long story short, first week of June, nalaman ko may cancer ako. So, immediately, dahil alam ko na napapunta kami sa leaning towards kami na ma-opera ako and mag-undergo ako ng medications, nag-power pump talaga ako. Like, every day, I stress myself talaga na, I need to pump. And, alam natin na mas ini-stress natin mentally yung sarili natin, mas lalo tayong hindi makapag-produce ng milk, right? So, buti na lang, I do have the iMoney i1 Plus beside me. Literally, beside me all day. So, hospital grade kasi siya, so iba talaga yung suction. It's like naturally namimimik niya kung paano mag-breastfeed yung anak ko sa akin. And at the same time, nakukuha niya talaga lahat ng milk. So, it's like I power pump from first week of June hanggang third week of June, right before ako ma-opera, and I was able to create a stash enough to supply my child for 2 months. Diba? 3 linggo, pero yung stash ko pang 2 buwan, ganun katindi yung tulong na binigay niya sa akin. And I was able to heal, hindi nagkulang ng breast milk yung anak ko. And then after, nung medyo ready na yung katawan ko ulit, siya ulit yung ginamit ko kasabay nung wearable pump ko. Kapag nasa bahay ako, ito yung ginagamit ko, and then pag nasa labas ako, gamit ko naman yung wearable pump ko to get back, para lumakas ulit yung supply ko. And God is good. Right now, hopefully I'm still cancer free, and I'm still breastfeeding my 4th child for a year already, and it's really nice. So I have so much good words for the i1 Plus. Again, sa ising ko, right now, this is in the market for 13,950. It actually went down na. And kasi syempre, nagdi-discount si Imani. So, always get a hold of those discounts. And the next is, it's hospital grade. Next is meron siyang 3 modes. So, the massage and then the expression mode. But, this is the only model na merong booster mode. So, what is the booster mode? Yun yung pinaka nakatulong sa akin nung nagpa-power pump ako kasi, di ba, magmamassage level ka lang muna. Sa mga breast pumping moms, alam nyo na to. So, magmamassage ka muna. Tapos, pagka medyo may letdown na, you will go to the expression mode. Yung booster mode, once na-activate yun, merong final hugot. Alam mo yun talagang, kumbaga sa basahan, piniga. Tapos yung booster mode, piniga. Ganon. So, kumbaga, what does that mean for us? It means na i-empty ng husto yung breast natin. So, it is capable to, alam mo yun, mag-refill ng mas marami. Kasi empty siya, ubos na ubos talaga yung milk. So, mas nagdo-double time yung breast mo to make milk. So, yun yung kagandahan ng booster mode. Next is, ang gusto ko sa kanya is sobrang silent niya. Like, pwede siya sa gabi. Katabi ko tong matulog kasi sobrang tahimik niya. So, kahit mag-pump ako, hindi nagigising yung mga bata. Like, wala kang maririnig. Sobrang tahimik niya talaga. And next is meron siyang night light. Night light. So, meron kang pipindutin dyan, tapos magkakaroon ng ilaw yung baba niya. So, merong two modes of light. Merong super dim and meron ng medyo mas maliwanag siya, pero not too much light that it will wake you up. So, it's really nice because merong ilaw. Alam mo yung minsan kasi magpa-pump tayo, tapos sa sobrang dilim ng bahay, nagkakatapon-tapon na yung mga gatas, yung mga gamit, nagkakandahulog na kasi nga madilim. Hindi naman tayo pwede magbukas ng ilaw kasi pag nagbukas tayo ng ilaw, magigising yung bata. Tapos ikaw din, magigising ka kasi yung utak mo, 'di ba? Kumbaga yung mata mo tatamaan na ng ilaw. So, this one, dahil may night light siyang kasama, sobrang love ko yun kasi nga ang ganda sa gabi. Ang ganda niya sa gabi. In-story ko to for a lot of times already kasi sobrang natuwa ako na ang ganda ng ilaw niya. Hindi nakakabuisip yung liwanag. Ganun, yung just enough to help you do your thing. Of course, the materials in here are BPA free, which is important kapag may cancer ka talaga. Lahat ng mga ganyang bagay sobrang importante na sa'yo. It is rechargeable, so kahit malaki siya, actually, one time nagamit ko to habang nagde-drive. So, yes, it's wired. May mga tube pa rin naman. Pero kasi, dahil nasa tabi ko lang naman, nasa passenger seat siya nakalagay, I was still able to pump. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung wearable pump ko that time. So, ito yung ginamit ko. And it's still works. So, it's rechargeable. You can still use it even if it's not plugged in sa kuryente. And last, katulad ng ibang iMoney, meron din siyang memory. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung ano yung naging settings mo ngayon, pag na-turn off siya, pag inopen mo ulit siya, yun pa rin yung settings niya. Unless gusto mong ibahin. Kasi minsan, hiyangan like, kunwari, hiyang yung right breast ko sa level 5, and then yung left ko, hiyang siya sa level 2. So, minsan, nakakalito kapag nagba-back to 0. So, this one, may memory siya. So, you don't need to worry about it. So, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And yun din yung rason bakit siya yung naging partner ko with doing my emergency stash. And ito din yung ginamit ko nung I need to relactate. Actually, hindi naman relactate kasi hindi naman siya super nawala, like 0. Pero sobrang from full capacity na talagang nag-power pump, naging nasa mga 10% na lang siya. Yung alam mo yung pag nag-pump ka halos wala nang lumabas na, hindi umaabot yung milk doon sa bottle. Parang ganun yung nangyari sa akin after. Kasi 2 months din ako talaga nagpahingang mag-pump. So, what else? Yeah, that's it. Those are the features of the iMoney i1 Plus that I really like, and it served me well. And this June, as a Thanksgiving, I will be choosing one mom to get a hold of my iMoney i1 Plus. Kasi right now, hopefully, I don't need to stash naman na dahil I'm well and I do have my iBox with me. So, I'm happy with it. Yeah, it's doing its job for me. And syempre, si Fort, hindi naman na siya super duper kailangan ng talagang may stash, and also, we are good. So, I'm just paying it forward kasi I want to help other moms have the iMoney experience that really with iMoney, you can do it all. Like, imagine, cancer survivor ka, like, may cancer ka, and then nakapag-power pump ka pa, and now for 2 months, it's really like a big thing for me, and I don't know if magagawa ko yun without this tool. So, that's it. I will be announcing the winner on my anniversary, and that would be on June 26. And if you want to join, just make sure to follow iMoney Philippines social media accounts. That's their Facebook and Instagram accounts, and Dear Mars Pauline Instagram and Facebook pages. And that's it. Ganun lang kadali. kung may time kayo, chikahan nyo ko kung bakit kayo deserving magkaroon nitong iMoney, i1 Plus. But that's it. And ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much again for my iMoney Philippines family, to Mommy Karen, to Daddy Dino, and to the rest of the iMoney family. I am just so grateful. I am indebted to you for helping me survive my breastfeeding journey. And until now, I'm still using my iBox na, alam niyo yun, gift nyo din sa akin. And again, sobrang thankful ako na napili nyo ako maging kapamilya nyo. And yun lang. Thank you so much. And sali kayo para magkaroon din kayo nitong iMoney i1 Plus. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Good night. Bye!